Hey guys, George Osgood here at Lebanon Ford. I just wanted to take a second to show you how easy it is to unhook a Fisher Minute Mount 2 plow from one of our Super Duty pickups. The first thing you have to do to unhook this plow is grab these two yellow handles here to let the jack down. The second step to unhooking the plow is you grab this level here and you pull downward so it removes your pins. The last step to this process is unhooking the two wires. We're going to have one on each side here. You unplug it, and then to prevent corrosion, you're going to want to place these caps on here and then just set them back in the truck. Again, you just pull the wires apart, put the cap on there, place them back inside of the truck. The final step of this process is now we get in the truck and we just back it up. And now we have successfully removed this Minute Mount 2 plow from our Super Duty pickup. And now we have successfully moved, except for there's a plow there.